So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually add sub users in Clickfunnels. Okay. So let me just quickly. So this is my Clickfunnels account. Just click on the top right corner where it shows your name, and then go to account settings. Once you go to account settings, then you have something called as sub users. Okay. You just have to click on that. Once you click on that, you see something here called as invite sub user. So with the $99 plan, you would be having only one person whom you can add as a sub user. Okay. With the higher plans, whatever you have, you should be having an option to add more sub users. So right now I am using a $99 plan per month. Okay. With that, I have just option to add one sub user. So you could see sub users 0 of 1. Okay. So let me just quickly click on invite sub user. So here you can just enter the email ID. Okay, I just enter the email ID, and this user account will have full permissions. That's what it says. Correct. Now all you need to do is just click on send invite. So once you do that, it says okay, your invitation was successfully sent, and you can see that there is a sub user which has been added, and the status is pending, because it would go for him to click on and approve it, and then only it's going to appear as a sub user. So that's how you can add a sub user to your ClickFunnels account. Hope this video has helped you. If it has helped you, then please do subscribe to the channel and stay connected for a lot more videos to come in the future. Thank you.